transforms into a global snacking phenomenon in just 8 minutes. But the real question is, why are we so obsessed?
Every single second, more than 3,000 bags of Lay's are opened worldwide.
Is it the crunch, the seasoning, or something far more secret? Today, we step inside the place where it all begins. A place where potatoes don't just get sliced, they become a billion-dollar business. In seconds, not minutes, a simple potato becomes the Lay's you can't stop eating.
All right, the wait is over. Let's go inside and witness the process for ourselves.
Sunrise marks the start of inspection as workers check field conditions and prepare harvesting machines for a clean potato collection.
Workers examine plant health, soil moisture, and tuber size to ensure only mature, high-quality potatoes are ready for harvest. The harvester digs beneath the soil, lifting plants while vibrating conveyors separate potatoes from dirt and unwanted debris.
Freshly lifted potatoes move directly into trucks as machinery and workers coordinate to keep the harvesting line continuous.
The lobed trucks leave the fields and begin transporting thousands of freshly harvested potatoes to the storage facility.
Each truck reaches the cold storage barn, where potatoes are unloaded and prepared for initial cleaning and sorting.
A hydraulically tilted platform unloads potatoes onto vibrating conveyors that remove soil, stones, and loose plant material. An optical sorter scans each potato, removing stones and defects with rapid air bursts to ensure quality before storage.
The sorted potatoes are stored in a temperature-controlled cellar, where cool air keeps them stable until processing begins.
Forklifts load temperature-controlled crates onto trailers, ensuring each batch of potatoes stays fresh during transport.
The loaded trucks travel from rural storage barns toward the Frito-Lay plant, keeping the supply chain moving without delay. At the factory, hydraulic platforms tilt each trailer, guiding thousands of potatoes onto the receiving conveyors.
Technicians test each batch for moisture, density, and sugar levels to adjust frying settings with exact precision.
A final high-pressure wash removes any remaining soil, preparing each potato for peeling and further processing. Abrasive peelers remove potato skins quickly, as rotating drums and water jets work together for flawless surface cleaning.
High-speed cameras scan each peeled potato, detecting defects instantly so only clean, healthy tubers move forward.
Air jets remove defective potatoes in milliseconds, directing them into collection bins, while clean ones continue onward.
The screw deck sorter separates potatoes by size, letting smaller ones drop through gaps while larger ones continue forward.
Large potatoes are split in half using precision blades to ensure every piece slices evenly in the next processing stage.
The sorted potatoes travel upward toward the slicing tower, where guide rails align them for precision cutting.
Inside the spinning drums, centrifugal force pushes each potato into sharp blades, creating perfect thin slices instantly.
Golden, crispy, mouth-watering slices of heaven, turning snack time into a whole new experience.
Technicians measure sample slices with calipers to maintain the exact thickness required for classic Lay's chips.
Different blades are installed for each chip style, from classic straight cuts to deep zigzag blades for wavy varieties.
The thin slices enter a fast water channel where steady flow and sprays remove surface starch before frying.
Fresh potato slices undergo a final rinse to remove excess starch, ensuring they fry evenly and crisp up perfectly.
Drying systems ensure the potato slices are moisture-free, preventing excess splatter when frying.
Potato slices are fried at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, where the hot oil transforms them into crispy, golden chips.
After frying, the chips pass through a drying conveyor, where warm air removes excess oil,
ensuring they remain crispy.
The chips are coated with their signature seasonings, ensuring a perfect balance of flavor in every bite.
Excess oil is drained off, ensuring the chips stay light and crisp without being greasy.
Masala-flavored Lay's chips are coated with rich red seasoning and packaged in eye-catching red bags to highlight the bold flavor.
Lay's salted chips are packed in yellow bags, sealed with nitrogen to keep them fresh and crispy.
Each bag is carefully labeled with the flavor and nutritional information before being sealed for freshness.
The chips pass through an optical sorting system that scans for imperfections, ensuring only the finest pieces continue on the production line.
Automated systems weigh each batch of chips precisely, ensuring that every bag contains the perfect portion.
Chips are bagged quickly, with nitrogen added to preserve freshness, ensuring a crunchy, crisp snack every time.
Shrink wrapping machines securely seal each bag, protecting the chips from air and ensuring they stay fresh until they reach the store.
Final quality checks ensure that each bag is perfect before it's prepared for shipping. Robotic arms stack the finished bags onto pallets, ensuring the products are ready for transport to retail stores.
Automated guided vehicles transport the pallets of chips, ensuring smooth and efficient delivery to the shipping docks.
Pallets are loaded into trucks, ready for delivery to retail stores and distribution centers worldwide.
With fresh batches of chips loaded, the trucks head toward retail stores, ensuring that Lay's products reach customers on time.
Retail workers stock the shelves with Lay's chips, ensuring the shelves are filled and ready for customers to enjoy. In the warehouse, pallets of Lay's chips are carefully stored, ensuring the product is ready for efficient distribution.